I like to brag about those Callaways because they make everybody's life easier if you're looking to buy or sell a home. And of course, we also love that we always drag Miss Kelly Callaway in here to tell us about the fantastic homes.
Yes, and I have an amazing opportunity. This home is in Thunderbird East in the Magic 85254, which is a fabulous area.
Of course.
It is a rare basement home.
Wow.
4 bedrooms, 4 baths. It is 4,220 square feet.
Oh my gosh.
2-car garage with side entry, huge amount of storage. It was a custom build in 1977.
Oh wow.
Beautiful kitchen with room for bar stools, but I absolutely love the backyard on this home. It has a huge pool, green grassy areas, long extended patio for entertaining.
Oh, nice.
Absolutely beautiful home inside and out.
It sounds like it. And what's the asking price?
This one is only $750,000.
Really?
It is
And
a
with a
really
basement
nice
home.
home for 4,200 square feet and 85254.
Oh, that is fantastic.
Yeah.
Well, people definitely need to be checking that
Yes.
one out. And of course, anything else that you have to show them.
We have lots.
I know you do. Thanks,
All right.
Thanks
Thank
for joining
you.
us.